Okay, so today, we're gonna be playing Girl Tag, new update. Let's go. Okay. Let's read it. The weather is usually cool this time of year, but the forest is heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly hear the lava bubbling over the eruption of laughter. Totally. Check out the shop to grab flying gear to handle the heat and stylish cosmetics that will have you looking hotter than ever. Inclusion #wear. Whoa!
There's lava!
Okay, what the?
No, there's lava. It's finally going down, thank goodness. Okay, Hayden.
Hate me for doing this. No, don't do it.
Yes!
Yo, wait, what?
That's why.
Wait, what the? No.
Yo, I'm at the pin.
Bro, what is this?
Oh my gosh. Rashad, your voice is nice. This is sick.
What? Hello? Hello? Ah! Okay, we're good. Now we can hear me. Yo, wait, what is this? Yeah.
This is the first.
This looks ugly.
I want this. Oh, I don't have enough. I'm gonna see what it is. All varnish. Then check out forest. It's big. Ooh, you think?
That's so cool.
Since it's Friday, can you buy this to me? Forest is
That is so cool.
They have chilies?
Oh, wow, that's actually cool. I'm gonna actually buy that. That's free.
Wait. Let me look at something cosmetics. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do you sound so autistic when you do that?
This badge is free, which I'm getting.
For
I
cosmetics?
wonder how much that costs.
Where?
It's just an umbrella.
Oh my god.
Good. Let's buy
Let's get you.
what we can get.
I definitely need to buy the math sciences, bro.
Oh, I also don't have some things equipped. I didn't try on like most of the clothes.
God dang it.
No, bro, someone got
It's like the ice
dropped
one.
the controller.
Shut up. No, because it's...
Let's buy the badge first before it gets out of my cart.
I actually need these.
What? How much? That's 2 down club. Damn.
It's a badge. I'm buying it.
Right.
Yeah, I want to buy the badge. It's the love ring. My friend has this.
Oh my god, bro. I don't know why I keep on, wait.
That stuff. New.
Is that G-Man Curly or is that minigame?
The hammer! I'm definitely buying this hammer, bro.
Yeah. Damn, wait.
Hey, yo, the sand collab, man. This place is hell now. Nah,
I mean, there it looks horrible. That's so cool. Okay. Any other changes in any maps? Let's play some tag though. Okay. What the fuck? This is RTX. My friend's calling me. Guys,